When it comes to strength, style, and affordability, Granite Alloy wheels have made a name for themselves in the aftermarket wheel scene, especially for drivers who demand more from their trucks and SUVs. Granite Alloy is a private label brand, designed and distributed exclusively through our partner, a trusted name in the tire and wheel industry. To find out more, please click the link in the description below. These wheels are manufactured with a focus on durability, off-road capability, and modern styling, all while keeping pricing competitive. Granite Alloy wheels are built using lightweight aluminum alloy, offering better heat dissipation and improved fuel efficiency compared to heavier steel options. Most of their wheels come in matte black, machined, or gunmetal finishes, making them a popular choice for off-roaders and urban adventurers alike. You'll find Granite Alloy wheels commonly available for vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler, Toyota Tacoma, Ford F-150, Chevrolet Silverado, and GMC Sierra. Whether you're lifting your truck or upgrading for looks and performance, these wheels are hub-centric where possible for a secure fit, and come in sizes ranging from 16 to 20 inches. Each Granite Alloy wheel is tested to meet or exceed SAE and DOT standards, giving you confidence both on and off the road. And thanks to our trusted partners' distribution, they often come mounted, balanced, and ready to bolt on. If you're looking for a strong, stylish, and affordable upgrade for your truck or SUV, Granite Alloy wheels are a smart choice, backed by real-world performance and industry trust. To view current Granite Alloy wheels models, please visit anewset.com or click the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.